Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into iRobot Home app and customize cleaning maps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, install the iRobot Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app on your mobile device. You will be prompted to log in. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account, tap on the Create Account option. Follow the instructions to set up your account. After logging in, ensure your robot vacuum is connected to your Wi-Fi network. If prompted, allow the app to access your location for easier setup. Once connected, you will see the home page of the iRobot Home app. Navigate to the Cleaning Preferences section. Tap on the Maps option to access your cleaning maps. If you have multiple cleaning maps, select the map you wish to customize. You will now see options to edit the map. To rename the map, tap on the current name and enter a new one. You can also adjust no-go zones by selecting the corresponding option. Drag and drop to set the boundaries for the no-go zones. To add keep-out zones, select that option and outline the area on the map. Confirm your adjustments once you are satisfied. You can save the customized map by tapping the Save button. Your settings will automatically sync with your robot vacuum. Return to the home page to start cleaning with your newly customized map. If needed, repeat these steps for any additional maps you wish to customize. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.